Welcome, folks. This is Tom O'Brien of TFNN. We go 5 days a week. We go 10 hours a day. We go 24 hours a day on the internet at TFNN.com. Always remember, folks, whatever you think about, you bring about. Whatever you focus on grows. Hope everyone's having a great day, safe day. It's a TGIF, folks. Let's make it a great one. Expect to have hope rekindled. Expect your prayers to be answered in wondrous ways. Market-wise, let's take a look at it out here. We have the Dow Industrials down 112, Nasdaq down 46, S&P's down 21, gold contract up $28, trading at $1,294 an ounce. Gold took the B point out, folks, took it out with volume. You got a 216-point ABC confirmed structure in the way up. We're trading at $12.94. Gold wants to run to this $14.22 area. Silver up 29 cents, $17.85. Platinum up $25, $1,075 an ounce. Copper up 5 pennies, $2.27 a pound. Light sweet crude flat at $45.98 a barrel. Bonds, the 10-year note up 4 ticks, 130.02. 30-year bond up 17 ticks, 163.09. And King Dollar, all those commodities about King Dollar, folks. King Dollar down 667 ticks, 93.06. King Dollar broke out its bottom. King Dollar's making its way down to the 92.50. In the way that the commodities are traded, it looks to me like King Dollar is going to actually crack the $92. We've been in consolidation for a year and a half and probably go to the 88. Euro is up 97 ticks right now, trading at $1.14. The yen is up 1, trading at 106.72. Our phone number is 877-927-6648. Give us a call, folks. Want to know what's going on in your world. In the world of the S&Ps, let's take a look at them. What do you have? Okay, so your cash S&P right now is at 1254. Bottom line is that this is making its way down. The next swing point down here is the cash S&P is at 2055. Next swing point out there is 2033. If we take a look at the SPY, the SPY, what you're going to see with the SPY right now is trading down $1.87. SPY's making its way down into this area of a 202. It's at 205 right now. NDX 100. They're letting loose on the NDX 100 in a huge way. So the NDX 100 have already done 58 million shares, folks. We made highs going back a couple weeks ago at 42 million shares. Then we tested that high with 18 million. So you have the Qs coming into the 105 price point, which had 44 million. Now what this sets up is this. That was my first price projective, the high of March 10th. Well, guess what? You're coming into it with 58 million. You did 44 there. What is it setting up? These Qs are going after the February 8th swing area. The top of that area is 97. The bottom of it's 94. Bottom line, monster volume as we're coming down. We go take a look at the volume characteristic inside the NYSE. That is going to go over a billion out here today. We're at 717 million, big volume. The composite's going to be insane. The composite right now, yeah, we're at 1.7 billion already. The composite's going to end up doing about 2.3 to 2.4 billion shares. Gold contract. What do we have with gold? Gold takes apart its swing point, has the wide price spread, has the accelerated volume, all of the above. So gold has been building cause up at this area since February 11th. February 11th, gold went from 1198 to 1264. Been building cause since that point. Has pushed into the highs versus the lows with volume each and every time it got up there. Today it did it. 251,000 contracts thus far. You're taking it out. And you got to remember something. An ABC structure goes like this, folks. Your A to B, straight line move. That's A to B took place January 14th. Gold was at 1,071. Straight up to 1,287. Sideways move, chopped all over the place. What do you have now? You get 2 days of movement thus far. We just went from 1239. We're at 1294. Bottom line, you can expect this is the price projection is 1422. Now, when you take a look at this and we put this on a continuous contract, what you're going to see is this. On a continuous contract, we bring this back 3 years, you're going to see that you're over the swing point that was established, or you're right at the swing point that was established in January of 2015. The Next swing point is up there at the 1388. And what you're going to see, I believe it's, yeah, there it is right there. This thing is going for the swing point from August of 2013. And that particular swing, what is really so cool about it is that, you know, when you line up how gold broke topside on the first run up in March, that was the trend line that it broke. And it broke with a wide price spread, accelerated volume. It breaks it with conviction. When you do that period, just on the aspect of breaking a channel, that's where it likes to go. The thing that's going to be wild here, watching this shake out, of course, this has been just a one-way move, is that once you get up to the 1428, there's not much stopping it, you know, basically to get higher. So we'll see if, in fact, it's a 1-to-1 ABC structure, or it's going to be a 1 to 1.382 or 1 to 1.50. What gold likes to do is either on the expansion and contraction, because remember something, Fibonacci is the expansion contraction theory. And A to B, let's say you go 10 points, well, C to D, I mean D to, yeah, A to B, C to D, 10 points. 1 to 1.382, A to B, 10 points, 13.8 on the second leg. Gold loves doing more than a 1-to-1 ABC structure. Down and up, by the way. Silver, what do we have with silver? Silver is also, silver caught a bid, catches a bid again. Silver's up trading at $17.85. It looks to me like silver took a long time to get over the $16 area, took out the 16 in a heartbeat, doesn't want to hang at 17. Silver's going after this $18.50. $18.50 is the January 2015 high, where I suspect silver is actually going to run up to somewhere into the $21 area. Big numbers all over the place. Now, what is that all about? Well, check it out. It's all about good old King Dollar. King Dollar has some destruction going on. What King Dollar did out here today is this. Takes out a swing point after building cause. Okay, the swing point we're talking about is the swing that was established on the 12th of April. It was $93.62, established some cause, blew the baby away, and now what you take a look at, if we take a look at where King Dollar is, what you're going to see, we'll put this on a continuous contract, what you're going to see set up now is that King Dollar has been building cause for quite a while. I mean, this cause that we've been building in King Dollar goes back to January of 2015. This baby breaks the 92.50, and if you have volume on that break, which looks like it launched up, 88 bucks on King Dollar. That would add up to the 14.22 in gold and that run in the commodities. Tom O'Brien, this is TFNN. You stay right there, folks. We'll come right back.